He walked into a land of fire and instantly felt the heat. The ground beneath him was cracked, glowing with lava. Smoke filled the air, making it hard to breathe. Every step was dangerous. One mistake could burn him alive. Sweat rolled down his face. The heat was unbearable. Lava flowed slowly beside him like a river of fire. The air itself felt like it was burning. He climbed over sharp volcanic rocks, searching for safety. Then, suddenly, he noticed something strange. A glowing opening hidden between the rocks. It looked like a cave, but different. Heat was coming from inside stronger than outside. He moved closer, carefully watching every step. The entrance was glowing like fire lived inside it. He stood there for a moment, thinking, this could be dangerous, or his only chance. Slowly, he stepped inside. The cave was hot but stable. The walls glowed with reflected lava light. He dropped his bag. He made a decision. This would be his shelter. He looked around, studying the space. The ground was rough, covered with rocks. He needed to clear a place to stay. So he got to work. He knelt down, pushing stones aside. Dust and ash rose into the air. Piece by piece, the space began to clear. The heat made it harder, but he didn't stop. He dragged larger rocks away from the center. Slowly, a usable space appeared. He wiped the ground, removing ash. Now he had a base. But it wasn't enough. He gathered flat stones to build something better. Carefully, he placed them together, adjusting each one, making it stable. It took time, but it worked. He stepped back and looked at it. It was simple, but strong. Now, he needed fire. Without it, he wouldn't last the night. He gathered small materials and placed them together. Carefully, preparing a fire spot, he took out his fire tool, tried once. Nothing happened. Tried again, still nothing. The heat around him made it harder to focus, but he didn't stop. Then suddenly, a spark caught. A small flame appeared. Slowly, it began to grow. He moved closer, feeling the warmth. The fire came alive. He added more pieces, making it stronger. The cave started to feel different, safer, warmer, alive. He placed a container near the fire. He needed something to drink. He waited, watching the flames. Then finally, he took a sip. Relief washed over him. Outside, the volcano still raged. Fire, smoke, danger everywhere, but inside this cave, he survived. Tonight, he was safe.